Oh, hey, it's Daniel from Los Osos. I'm over here in San Luis Obispo, and I'm ready to sell some cool DVDs. I got these premium dope balloons, and I just got hooked up with this 420 roll. Let's check it out. 420 specialized roll, embossed weed emblems, super high-powered stopping disc brakes, extra cush seat for those long rides, custom rear hatch storage plate, so let's get this show on the road and go sell some DVDs and give away some free gifts. There you go, dude. $5 DVDs, free gift. It's the 420 roll by Specialized.
That's actually famous for?
Yeah, it's embossed joints and leaves. Yeah, this thing goes about 25. Yeah, it's pretty dope. We're gonna take a quick lunch break at my favorite spot, Chronic Tacos. Let's get some carne. One carne asada and one pollo. Oh, snap. Hey, good afternoon. What?
Dirty.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's a cool attachment. I'll definitely put that on there. Thank you. Awesome, just souped up my rig. What? So, do you got any DVDs?
No, only one.
One DVD. Intolerable cruelty. Can I trade you a rollie for it?
Yeah, go on then.
Really? What?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy. We're just gonna get a little quick snack, a little doobie snack. This place is a freaking jam-packed Zuka. Holy freaking Tillamoty, we're here, High Street, 420. Sandwiches are super dank, but I usually come here for the doobies. The doobie snack. Do you like DVDs?
I don't even have a DVD player.
Are you serious?
Totally serious.
Raise your hand if you have a DVD player. What the hell? This is ridiculous. Nobody has DVD player here at High Street, so we're gonna cruise over to the skate park and see if we can gain our sales higher. All right, so we made it to San Luis Obispo skate park. I'm gonna test out this bad girl and see how she rolls. Let's roll. I almost lost my doobie.
Thank you.
Very welcome.
Oh, of course, I gotta go with Anchorman right here.
Perfect choice. The man knows what he wants.
Thank you very much, man.
You're very welcome. Here's your free rollie.
Dude, you're the best.
It's really good, dude. These are like
Wow.
premium collections that I've been saving for years. Roll it up.
Thank you.
So today was a complete success. I gave away a lot of DVDs, didn't really sell any, and hooked up a lot of people with the best Chiba on the Central Coast. Also, got hooked up with this sick back rack that just supports way more DVDs. I'd like to thank my support, Art Cyclery and Specialized for hooking me up with the 420 roll. I couldn't be more pumped. And don't forget, it's Daniel from Los Osos.